Okay. Sure. Okay. What is he going to put? Mega. Okay, not Mega. That's still good. Okay. This is going to die. So let's just build up the push. And let's use this right here. That's perfect, bro. One time you have lightning. I think he has lightning, maybe. Okay, he doesn't. He doesn't. There's arrows for this. Okay. This is still good. But I never tried this deck, so maybe I'm not very good with it. But yeah, let's see. I think he's going to put his miners, so let's get ready for it. Okay, no. I think we do like a... yeah. Sure. Got it. Okay. What is he going to put? This? Still good. Still good. We should put this here. So we could start like pushing. But the problem... no, I don't think there's a problem. Maybe... yeah, okay, that's perfect. I think I just need to be ready for his Inferno. So 3.1, perfect. Okay, where's perfect? I know it. Okay, I think he's dead. One shot kills it. No. Okay, just yeah, perfect. Bro. Okay, I think I should use this for the first time. Okay, let's use the Electro. Okay, that's 3 damage, I think. Okay, one hit here. Okay, Inferno. No, don't be Inferno. Please, okay, good. Okay, I think he's going to... yeah, use this. Perfect. It's still alive. Okay, let's get this right here. Okay, I think it's dead, so let's just... okay, I think we won. Let's go, guys. This is my favorite deck. That's very good. Easy.